What's up, everyone? So in this quick tutorial, what we're going to look at is registering events for the item clicks for the list rows. So when a user clicks on an item in the row, uh, the method that you create will get called, and you can execute whatever code you would like. And the way that Xamarin does it is a little different from how Java does it, because Xamarin uses the .NET event handling to do it. So you would register to an event and subscribe that to a method, and then take that method and write whatever code you would like to do. So let me give you an example. So you would take your list view, and there's an item click event that gets called when the item is clicked, of course. And you can hit tab again, and Visual Studio will go ahead and generate this method for you that gets called whenever the user clicks on an item in the list view. So we could do something like dot write line, and we can print out the first name of that clicked row. So as you can see, like, it's really easy to wire up some events to handle it. Uh, Events and delegates are really handy. It's you avoid having to do like how it is in Java, just to set on click listener, new on click listener, and have to implement the interface and all that. You can do that as well if you would like to, but this way, to me, once you get familiar with it, it's a lot more clean. And also you can do just the same way you would do long click would be, and then you would register to a long click, which again, do whatever you like, but just for an example, do something like, that's when you want to print out the last name. So let's go ahead and run that just to check it out real quick. All right. So you see here at the bottom, whatever item I click on, it's printing out the first name. Let's go ahead and try a long click. All right, and when I long click, it'll print out the last name. So pretty simple, nothing really to it, just straightforward, but gives you a good example of how a lot of the events are handled in .NET using Xamarin. Really convenient, really clean way to do it. Once you use it, for me, it's hard to go back. So hope you enjoy that. Just the way, just for instance too, just the way you use the plus equals, what that's doing is basically just subscribing the method to this event, and the plus equals means that you can also unsubscribe. So if you wanted to, you'd be able to do minus equals, and that would unsubscribe the method to this event. So just for reference, if you ever wanted to subscribe it, unsubscribe it, that's the way to do that. As well as you can subscribe more than one method to this event. So you can do item click 2, and we'll have, usually we can get Visual Studio to generate another one. So what this is doing, and then we can do second, we'll do something like second method, whatever. And what that is basically it's going to call this first one and print out the first name. And since it's also subscribed, this method is subscribed to this event, this method is also going to get called. So you can have more than one method subscribed to an event. And there's many cases to where that might be handy if you need to separate some code, or just any really many cases that we'll get into later on in the other tutorials. So thanks for watching. See you soon.